Hello guys, this is Neha, and in today's lesson we will learn how to perform operations on sets using Venn diagram. We will focus on two operations on sets in this lesson, that is the union of sets and the intersection of sets. Let's see what are Venn diagrams. Let's consider two sets A and B. In figure 1, circle A colored green represents set A, and all the elements which are inside the circle A are the members of set A. Now look at figure 2. The circle B colored red represents set B, and all the elements which are inside the circle B are the members of set B. Finally, in all the three figures 1, 2 and 3, the rectangular box is represented using capital letter U. That means a universal set which includes every element inside and outside of set A and B, as shown in figure 3 highlighted in yellow. So we can say a Venn diagram is a pictorial representation of sets where a rectangle is used to represent a universal set and circles are used to represent subsets of the universal set. Now let's learn about first operation on set, which is union of sets. Union means united. So set A and set B together form a new set A union B, which consists of all the distinct elements from set A and set B. Figure 1 shows set A in green. Figure 2 shows set B in red. And the union of these two sets is as shown in figure 3 in yellow. It includes all the elements of set A and set B. So we can say a union of set A and set B includes all the elements of set A and set B. Now let's understand union of sets with an example. Here, set X consists of the elements Vikash, Raj, Niket, Mohit, the set of students of class 11 who are in school basketball team. And set Y consists of the elements Raj, Vikash, Vivek and Prem, the set of students of class 11 who are in school football team. Now we need to find the union of these two sets. As set X has 4 elements, that is Vikash, Raj, Niket and Mohit, and set Y also have 4 elements, that is Raj, Vivek, Vikash and Prem. The union of set X and Y will consist of 6 elements, which are Vikash, Raj, Niket, Mohit, Vivek and Prem, because a union of set consists of only distinct elements from both the sets. So the elements which are repeated in both the sets, that is Vikash and Raj, will come only once. So I hope the union of set is now clear to you. Let's move to the next operation on sets, which is intersection of sets. Let's consider two sets, set A and set B. And the intersection of these two sets will consist of all the common elements shared between the two sets. The same is represented in figure 1, 2 and 3. Set A is highlighted in green. Set B in figure 2 highlighted in red, and the intersection of set A and B highlighted in yellow in figure 3. The highlighted yellow area is the common element shared by set A and set B. The intersection of sets is denoted using this symbol. Now let's understand intersection of sets using the same previous example. Okay, So here X contains the elements Vikash, Raj, Niket, Mohit, the set of students of class 11 who are in school basketball team. And the set Y consists of the elements Raj, Vivek, Vikash and Prem, the set of students from class 11 who are in school football team. And we need to find X intersection Y. The intersection of set X and Y will consist of the common elements from these two sets. Thus, the intersection of X and Y have two elements, which are Vikash and Raj, as they are common to both the sets. Now let's discuss a question related to union and intersection of sets. Here we have four sets A, B, C and D, and we need to find the answers based on the following operations on these sets. Let's discuss the answers. Here set A consists of the elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Set B contains the elements 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Set C contains the elements 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and set D contains the elements 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So first you need to find A union B. So what will be A union B? A union B will consist of all the elements from the set A and B, which will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now next you need to find B intersection C. That means the common elements from the set B and C. Now which elements are common to both the sets? The elements 7 and 8 are common in both the sets. So B intersection C will consist of the elements 7 and 8. Now let's see the next. A union B union C. So this set will consist of all the elements from all the three sets. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8 and 9, 10, 11. So 1, 2, 3 until 11. Now let's see the next. That is A intersection B union C. Here firstly we will find B union C. That is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Then we shall do A intersection B union C. That is the common elements from the set A and B union C. That will be 4 and 5. Now let's see A union B union D. That is the common elements, it's not common, but distinct elements from the three sets A, B and D. So this set will consist of the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. This brings us to the end of this lesson. I hope you are clear with union and intersection of sets. We will see the next two operations, difference of sets and complement of a set in our next lesson. Thank you.